The rule mnemonic is the second part of learning how to do motivational interviewing, where you learn how to really listen to your patient, and it's really quite simple. The R stands for resist the writing reflex. With this, you want to let your patient have the opinion that they may have at that point in time. It may not necessarily be entirely correct, but it's important to realize that change is a process and you want to help them through that process. You want the patient to feel that you are alongside them during that transition through change. The U stands for understanding their motivations. It's important to know where your patient is coming from, and this can help you really tailor your plan for change to them. The L is very simple. Simply listen to your patient. Be active about your listening and pay attention the entire time. It's important to not come across as being judgmental with your patient. The final letter in the rule mnemonic is E, which stands for empower your patient. It's important to not come across as being judgmental, but compassionate. And in this way, you can really empower your patient to make a positive change.